Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Recursive methods can be tricky, but we will solve the stars call fast. Let us break down the logic to find the correct output together. The method calls itself with num-1 before printing anything. This means the program keeps diving deeper into the recursion until num finally equals 1, where it hits the base case. Once num equals 1, the method returns without printing. Then the previous call where num was 2 finally executes its loop, printing 2 stars and a new line to the console. Each returning call prints stars equal to its current num value. This builds the pattern from 2 to 5 stars, making option B the answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing judgment. Trust the given code and check your recursive steps.